to issue a credit note or reverse invoice on Ember accounting software. Go to Invoices, click on invoice which you want to reverse, click on three dots, reverse invoice, and you can delete invoice if you haven't sent to your client, or you can create a credit note if you have sent already to your customer. We will issue a credit note. So this is draft credit note. If you want to issue a credit note just for a one line, not for whole invoice, you can remove the lines which are not applicable for this credit note. For in this case, I want to issue credit note just for one-to-one coaching. And once you're happy, send via email, confirm and send. Let's go to mailbox. Credit note number for what it's been issued, and it's also PDF noting that there is credit note. When you go to your invoices, there is a note that this is a credit note.